Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had 9 wives. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would fix a turn for them, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would visit the first wife after 9 days. So every night all the wives would assemble in that wife's house wherein he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would be staying. One day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in Hazrat Aisha's house. So Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha came. As he sallallahu alaihi wasallam extended his hand toward her, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "She is Zainab." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam withdrew his hand. There arose an altercation between both wives, and their voices became louder and louder. In the meanwhile, the congregation call was announced. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu paused from there and heard their voices. He radiyallahu anhu said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, come for prayer," and put dust in their mouths. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out to perform the prayer. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha then said, "Now Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam will come after performing the prayer, and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu will also come along with him. He will reproach only me." When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had performed the prayer, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, chided her and said, "Do you do so?" Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3613.